Hello, welcome to those projects. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be seeing what's the most radioactive thing I can find in my Spanish Airbnb. So why am I measuring the radiation of stuff inside of my Airbnb? Well, one, I've always wanted a Geiger counter, so I bought one, finally. And, might as well use it. Another thing is, well, it's dark at night, as you can see by the fact that I have to use a computer screen as my light. And I'd like to be safe because, well, I'd like to be safe. And so we're just going to go around measuring some random stuff, and we're going to see if it's any different from background radiation. I'm hoping to get something in the 40s, maybe 50s, because that means it's a little bit more radioactive than just background radiation. So I've let it sit, and it's ranging from around 30 to 25 CPM. So since we now know that that's the background radiation, anything we find above or below those bounds would mean it's, I don't know, I guess it's rare or something. Well, let's go look for stuff. So the first thing that we're going to measure is the freezer and microwave combo. Now, as you can see, it's registering at about the same, so there's nothing really unique about this one. So let's move on to our next item. So I'm just measuring some of these floor tiles just because I don't know what they're made out of. It looks like they're registering at about the same amount, so we still haven't found anything super radioactive yet. Alright, so the last thing sort of in this area before we move to the next part of the room is just this big chest, and it doesn't really look like there's anything. So, not even this flower, which, wait, is that real? Is that real? No, it's fake. Oh. I'm not surprised it's not saying anything off then. So let's move on to the next part of the room. So now we're at sort of the sink and this countertop. Now, I don't know what it's made out of. It's definitely not made out of granite, which would definitely be sending some stuff off, but it is looking about the same as normal. So, not really anything interesting. Can we hit 29? Yeah. Alright, so let's go and move to the next part of the... Ooh! I spoke too soon. So it jumped up to 32 there. That's the most, well, the highest CPM that we've seen yet on an object. So let's see if we can find anything that beats that. So in the bedroom, we have our first little countertop thing. I have my outlet and stuff plugged into there, and I hope that's not putting out any radiation. The clicks are saying that it might be, but just looking, it's not anything really different. It's actually less than what it was over there, because it's less than around 25. So let's move on to the next countertop. Alright, so we've let it sit. It's hovering around 30 CPM on this countertop, which is a bit interesting. And, oh, look, it's dropping down again. But there, now it's coming back up. So, I'm hoping to find something that's in the 40s. I mean, I know Spain is spicy, but apparently it just means the food, not the rocks. Oh, look, that's me. So now we're in the bathroom. Got my toothpaste, and we put this on the, well, this sink, and it's looking to be a little bit spicy. It's about the same amount. It is jumping up and down, so I'm just gonna lightly place this a little bit closer. See anything? No, not really. So, looks like that's a bust on the sink. I'm not surprised. And the countertop as well. I mean, it's not rising anywhere above really 30. Before we get to our last item that I think could be radioactive, let's just try the knobs in here. Anything? Oh, something. Echo. Nah, doesn't really look like anything. Alright, so for our last item, the toilet, the humble toilet, the throne. So let's put this on here and let's see it skyrocket. There you go, we have beat 40. Oh my god, it's going above 40. Okay. I think I can confidently say that the most radioactive thing in this place is the toilet, which is, I guess a bit of an issue because there's only one in here. Wow, it's still going up. If it goes up above 50, I think that means I actually have to worry a little bit. Come on. Can we get above 50? No, I don't think we're gonna get above 50. Alright, so it looks like we did find something a little bit spicy. Just coincidentally, it was the toilet. But as all Spanish thrones have been a little bit spicy with everything that happens during them, I'm not surprised that my own Spanish throne is a little bit spicy, so it's still going up. Hopefully I'll leave Spain with only 2 likes this time. And, yeah, well, this was just a video I wanted to make quickly because I was going to post one, but then I realized I didn't have enough time to edit it. But if you happen to watch this quick one, thank you so much. I don't know, I just found it funny that the most radioactive thing in this house is the toilet. So, who would have guessed? So, well, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Sorry for skipping a week.